Are you struggling with your assignments? Struggling to stay organized or just wishing for something to make school life fun? Well, guess what? AI got your back. In this video, I'm sharing the top 5 AI tools every student needs to stay ahead, save time, and crash their studies. Trust me, number 5 will blow your mind. Let's go. I know there's one AI tool on your mind, ChatGPT. Yes, I guess right. This tool is like having a 24/7 tutor in your pocket. Whether you need help breaking down a tough concept, drafting essays, or even preparing for your exams, ChatGPT has got you covered. Just type in your question and boom, you've got answers. The best part, you can ask it to simplify stuff or even make it fun, like explain the solar system to me as if I'm a 5-year-old boy. Try it out. You will thank me later. Next up is Grammarly. Picture this. You are rushing to submit your essay and your grammar is messed up. Grammarly comes in like a superhero. It catches spelling errors, awkward phrasing, and even helps with tone and clarity. Plus, it can make your essay sound more professional or casual, depending on what your professor wants. No more red pen anxiety on your papers. Do you ever feel like your brain is in shambles? A lot of deadlines, ideas, and notes? Same here. That is why Notion is a game changer. It helps you organize your tasks, take smarter notes, and even generate summaries for those never-ending readings. Plus, you can collaborate with classmates on projects seamlessly. Trust me, Notion is the MVP of productivity tools. Okay, math lovers, this one is for you. Wolfram Alpha is your personal math wizard. Is it calculus, algebra, or even data analysis? Type in your problem and it does not only give you the solution, but it also explains the steps. It's like having a math teacher who doesn't judge you for asking the same question twice. We all hate that. And finally, let me introduce you to Otter AI, the secret weapon for lectures and group discussions. Otter records and transcribes everything in real time so you can focus on listening instead of note-taking. It even highlights key points automatically. Now, you will never miss a thing. So there you have it. 5 AI tools that will make your student life not just easier, but better. Which one are you most excited to try? Drop in the comments. Now, don't forget to like this video and share this with a fellow student. Until next time, keep learning.